Today is Monday, September 9, 2019. This is a different tree, but the lizard looks the same as the one I saw yesterday. This is a different location, but this lizard with dual colors is a matured one. It looks rather big, and it didn't have the dual colors as the other one I saw yesterday, but it has this big size and big head and more orangey front half. See, he bends his head towards me just in case I get too close. Now, he cannot be the same one as the other one. The other one was about 10 minutes walk away, but you can see it's really big size, and I shall get closer. I'm about 20 feet away, 10 feet. It's really beautiful, but it doesn't have the two colors. It's more brownish from head to tail, and there are two something like cheek pouches at the side. So I presume this is a male Oriental Garden Lizard on this white flowered frangipani tree. He has not moved away from me yet, and I'm really very close. I shall go 6 feet away. Still he doesn't move. 3 feet. It's a bit careful, but has not moved yet. 2 feet. A bit worried. Hasn't done anything. And really video him close. Now he's gone behind the tree. So the safety distance will be about 3 feet. And he can peek at me just in case I get any closer. And I shall move away. And you can see this is a beautiful one, beautiful specimen, quite grown up and probably handsome amongst his peers. Now there's another one, two more or one more on the other tree, which I shall video. There's one here, the younger one, trying to hide from me. You can see these are the young ones, very thin, dull color. This is another Oriental Garden Lizard. Probably has not matured yet. I shall have another view. There you are. He just grasped the pole actually and just lay still. There he is. This is the normal color, I would say, of the younger ones. This is number 2. You go to number 3. Number 3 is here on this tree, but it's gone behind the tree to hide from me. And there he is. Beautiful. Don't know what is he eating, something. This looks like in between the two. There he hides behind the tree. And today is Monday, about 9 a.m. There he is. The smaller size, younger than the other one. He's climbing up the tree to get away from my camera. I just stop now. Today is Monday, September 9, 2019, Singapore. 3 Oriental Garden Lizards. And of course this one is the biggest. It's gone to this side of the tree now. And I shall say goodbye to him. This one is probably the most senior, matured of the tree. You can see the difference in colors. Singapore, September 9, 2019, Oriental Garden Lizards.